Hi, Mary Lee Gannon here in beautiful New York City. And when I got up this morning and saw this glorious skyline, it made me think about hundreds of years ago when people came to this country, the courage that they had. They were willing to walk away from their families, leave their country of origin, come to a place where they didn't even know the language. They had no idea what the culture would be like. What kind of courage does that take? How do we harness that kind of courage to move forward in our own lives with the same courage to take on new challenges, take on new careers, start businesses, excel, jump into that vulnerability where we don't feel comfortable? How did they do it? And the only thing that I keep coming back to is vision. They had vision so big and so strong, and they kept that vision in front of them, and they kept working towards it, and they did have doubt. I'm sure they did. But they kept going. They had courage and they had conviction because they could see in front of them where they wanted to be. And many of them became very, very successful, and some didn't. But how do you differentiate yourself into being one of the ones who does become successful? Vision. What is your vision for your life, for your career, for your future? Because if you don't know that, you're already where you're going to be a year from now. Right now, you're there. So find that vision. Draw it down on paper. I do a success sketch when I was just starting out in my career of where I wanted to be, and until I got there, I hung that in front of me. And then when I got there, I changed the success sketch to something else where I wanted to be. And that vision propelled me forward and kept me going. So in the spirit of everybody that's come to New York to recreate their life, you do the same. Because the same wonder that is out there for these people, it's out there for you. Just know what it is. Define it. Write it down. Sketch it. Look at it every day. And you will get there too, no question.